everyone, I'm Alex and today I'm going to show you around WHU in Vallendar. I'm so glad you could join me. We are starting up here at Burgplatz, which is the center of our campus. The business school is integrated right in the middle of the town. That makes it seamlessly connected to the Rhine River, the streets of Vallendar, and it creates a special flair for our study experience. Let's have a closer look. When you enter campus, the reception desk is your first stop. You need directions to lecture halls or offices. You need to find something or someone. Here you get all the information. Next to the reception, the historic building of the Marienburg houses some of our unique spaces for special occasions and events. It's where we merge traditions with new approaches to business. Let's go to our In-Praxis Center, often just called IPC. It's where a lot of our lectures happen, plus it's used for events and conferences. This is one of the lecture halls inside IPC. With modern tech for hybrid teaching, it's used for classes, but also for guest speakers and panels. Our lecture halls are spread across the campus and can host classes of different sizes. We have smaller rooms as well as facilities for large groups of people. Of course, IPC is not the only building offering room for classes and more. Most of the spaces at WHU are flexible and open to the community, creating space for ideas and innovation. Let's have a look at a study room. This is the Zalando Lounge. It's named after one of WHU's most successful startups and reminds you that study and entrepreneurship go hand in hand at our business school. Many spots on campus are directly connected to contributions of donors and partners from the WHU community. That's why you discover their names here at various places. So, what about food on campus? When it's time for lunch, our Mensa is the place to be. You will find a lot of food options, meet your friends, share ideas and have a break together. And that was our brief tour of WHU Campus Vallendar. I hope you enjoyed seeing some of the physical spaces that are home to our students and community. If you want to learn more, check out our website and social media channels. I'll say goodbye for now and I hope to see you soon on campus.